Okay, a lot of people ask me about the knee pain. So usually knee pain, it's the problem above or below. And most of the time it's the ankle problem. But today we're going to talk about that knee. If you've already been injured, I'll give you a couple exercises you can start with. And like I said, depends on your condition. Always contact your professional in your area. Don't do this so much bullshit up there on the internet. People watch it, some difficult and advanced exercise for the athletes, and guess what? The older people start doing this exercise, and that's create the more problem. Okay, so the first exercise, let me adjust this band. Never use that movable chair because you can literally flip off and injure it. I'm fine. Use the stable chair, use the bench. Don't use the mover. But yeah, I know. Don't use it, but I show it to you on that movable chair. Like I said, I'm just lazy to move stuff around right now because a lot of stuff going on. So what we're doing, yeah, I think it should be fine. I'm attach one band to that chair. So you do the same thing, like I said, with, I got two bands. So sit down, and the first exercise, you see this one, let's see if I can to that, sit, and I come up here, and what I'm doing, I'm extend and let it go, extend and let it go. This is, like I said, it's the best on that stable chair when you get that four legs and you use that back leg. But I give you the idea what to do. Also, you put some weights around that ankle. Let me just, I'm already feel great. So release that one. Also, you put the weight on that foot, and all you do, you're just hanging up here and doing that. This chair is too short. I usually sit down on the bench, and all you do, just hanging this leg like this and moving. I try to put that barbell, not the barbell, it's a dumbbell, barbell, like this, and moving around. So I just give you an idea what I'm doing. So this little bit extra weight, and you just let that hang. You don't kick. Try to sit tall, and all you do just moving around. And I'm already feeling it. That's feel great. Even like that, you see? So simple. You can do dumbbell, yes. 10, 15 pounds. I feel this in my glute, feel this in my knee. Great stuff. So this is the one. Next one, it's more kind of cool exercise. I want to do the same level, so I lower myself down. Like I said, don't use the movable chair. See, I'm trying to get slouched. So the idea is I got another band. Get this band below the knee first. Like I said, use two chairs. One chair up here, one chair or bench. Place the one knee on the top of that ball. Ball is great because it's also create the stability. You try to stabilize that hip and control that motion with that ball. So what are you doing here? You see I'm pushing through that ball. This is for more advanced people. Use two chairs, it should be fine. Below the knee first. You're gonna pull that band down and step with the other foot, you see? That's what I'm like, it's more difficult. Ooh. And that chair, it's actually very cool because this chair is rotated and the ball is moving. Ooh, it's a lot of work. And all you do, start pushing this leg down. The band is below the knee and you push it down. Try to sit tall, up and down. Try to step. Ooh. That's really, I can feel it start burning because the ball is moving. Like I said, this is advanced. Do on the stable chair or bench. Do 15 times, 3 sets, okay? Switch leg all the time. So before, below the knee, now I'm coming above the knee. Below, above, and do the same thing. Try to sit tall and push down. Here we go. It's also work on a little bit on your glutes. Wow, feel it in my knee, feel this in that hip. also stabilize my ankle, because like I said, try to control that ball. So maybe, like I said, for athletes, it's a good idea to maybe sit on the both balls and try to correct it. This is gonna be like next level, like a Désolé circus, but that, it's great. And switch side. Older person, do on 2 chairs. The young kids, athletes, try to do on the ball. You're gonna be surprised. I can feel all the way down here, and guess what? It's stabilized my knee. So this is kind of short 2 exercise you can do at home in the beginning to help your knee if you've been injured, if your ACL been injured, if you feel that discomfort in your knee, definitely do it. But like I said, most of the time, pay attention to your ankle. Check your ankle mobility. Check your ankle flexion, plantar, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, also eversion, inversion, and see how you're gonna feel. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Sign up with our Patreon or YouTube channel. Bye-bye.